Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Hello there, looking to enhance your Shopify store with a custom checkout page? In this tutorial, we will guide you throughout the process of creating and customizing a checkout page on Shopify. Follow along and upgrade your store today. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing, guys, that I will need you to do is to go ahead and open Shopify, as you can see right here. After we're done with that, you simply have to go and click on login. Then go and log in with your account. Since I have an account already, I'm just going to log in with my Google account, and they are going to take us to their website. So your account has been inactive for more than 3 months. So to unlock your account, just go to your Gmail and paste the 6 digits code, or this is longer than 6. All right, my bad. Let me just copy this and paste it right here. This is perfect. So okay, remind me next time. And now what I'm gonna do is to create a whole new website inside of Shopify. There's a problem, it's okay, and yeah, get back to business. No, I'm not gonna do that. Click on all stores and create a new store. So there you go, skip all, next, and now the store should be created in a few seconds. Now, what are we going to talk about in this video is about the checkout page and how can we create it. Now, for your website and for the checkout page to be fully created, you have to go through a couple of things. First of all, let's go to the settings of our site by going to the left side menu, click on settings, and here, as you can see, we'll find the checkout. So checkout, and here we'll find a lot of information. So let's go through them. So here, customer contact method. Select what contact method customers use to checkout. Customers will receive order and shipping notification configured in notification settings. So let's click here. This is notification settings. So it will be sent an email, customer notification, staff notification, etc., etc. Go to customer notification, and here we'll find all the informations that you will need to know about or you need to change in here. So let's ignore that a bit. So here we're simply gonna choose to send SMS updates. You need to install an SMS app. We're simply gonna use email, so we're simply gonna send them emails. Show a link for customer to track their order with shop. We're not gonna do that. Require the customer to log into their account before checkout. Require a login may discourage some customers from checking out and reduce your store's total orders. To manage the current login experience, go to customer accounts settings. So you can remove that as well. Now, what are the fields that we're gonna need from the customers to fulfill? Now, here we have full name, only require last name, require first name and last name. Company name, don't include, it is a necessary option. Literally necessary. Company name does not affect your sales at all, so you don't have to include it. Address line 2. So this one, it is required, or basically it is, no, don't include, because we only need the address line number 1. Address line number 2 is not gonna help us at all, and most of the people are ignoring it. So yeah, let's just leave it. Then the shipping address, phone number, we need to have it. This is required 100%. And marketing option, this customer sign up for email or SMS marketing. I mean, customers can select if they don't want marketing. We can use that, so this is also an option. Then tipping, customer can choose between 3% to enter a custom amount. Show tipping option at checkout. So basically for e-commerce store, you don't really want tipping. It doesn't really help, or it does help, of course. Tipping or extra money will always help you, but I mean, e-commerce doesn't really have to get tips, so that's why this is not something that you usually add. In case you would like to add it, completely understandable, so you can add it by yourself, and yeah, you can just try it out. It might work for you. So address collection preferences, use the shipping address as the billing address by default. Use address auto completion, offers registering when customers enter their address, and validate shipping address. So here I'm just gonna remove the middle one, here order processing. After an order has been paid, automatically fulfill the ordered line items, automatically fulfill only the gift card of the order, don't fulfill any of the orders line items automatically. So this is, I'm gonna keep it like that. After an order has been fulfilled and paid, or when all items have been refunded, automatically archive the order. I'm just gonna archiving the order is pretty good because we can know which orders has been refunded. Here order status page pixels are now available, so for this one I'm just gonna keep it empty. Checkout page language, it could be in English, and checkout rules, there are no apps installed with rules for checkout or cards. Visit the Shopify app store to install one. For now we simply have to use this one, and this is basically it. This is our checkout page. Now for the payment method that we can accept and they can use, we have to go here to payments, and here you should add the actual providers. So payments capture method, automatically at checkout, automatically when the entire order is fulfilled manually. So we can use it here, keep it as it is, manual payment method. Let's choose here money order, cash on delivery. So additional details, display to customer when they are choosing a payment method. Here you make sure to give us exactly your location or where you want this product to be delivered so you can have it and pay at your door. So this is something that I would like to have, so I'm just gonna enhance it with my Grammarly. So insert. So yeah, I like it. Let me just remove this now. So make sure to provide us with your exact location or delivery address so that you can receive the products and make the payments at your door. The products and make the payments at the door. Okay, let's remove the second line. Alright, that is perfect. This is much more than perfect. So we simply have here to add some instructions, fulfill the form, contact the delivery company, pay cash on delivery. And now I'm just gonna click on here, click here, and make them fix that for us. So okay, there we go. So please remember the following instructions: fill out the form completely, contact the delivery company, and pay cash on delivery. So let's save that, and basically now we have made our checkout page working phenomenally. So guys, thank you all for watching, and let's meet in the next tutorial.